Hi guys, we are looking for Forex traders just like you to take part in our educational challenge. You can earn while you learn. The goal, the purpose of this educational challenge is for you to become a pro trader and trade capital of up to $500,000. You will be given access to a bespoke indicator that has been developed by expert traders over many years. This indicator makes it easy to identify buying and selling opportunities in the market. So, if you think you've got what it takes to complete this challenge, then click on the link below. Good morning, traders. How are you? I hope you had a fantastic weekend. It's Monday, in case you weren't sure. It is Monday. What is the date? Monday, the 3rd of April. April already. And as always, guys, we are going to look back at Friday's trades, which was a wonderful day. We're going to look at today's trades, and we're also going to look at the important news for today as well, guys. All right. Before we get started, 3 things. It's probably more than 3 things. First of all, join the Discord channel. If you haven't joined the Discord channel, we've got traders, we've got ideas, we've got knowledge, we've got chit chat. Come join us, guys. We've also got the VIP Discord now. You have to pay for this, but you get access to all of my trades, and you also have one-on-one with me as well, guys. You can ask me questions throughout the day. Next thing, guys, if you would like to be mentored by myself one-on-one, then drop us an email and we'll send you all the details about the mentorship program. And lastly, guys, if you would like to take part in the educational challenge where we give you a bespoke indicator, you learn how to use it and try to make money using the indicator, guys, which gives you very simple buy and sell opportunities. Then, yeah, all of the things that I've just mentioned, guys, are all in the video description. Check them out. Right, guys, trades from Friday. The first one was this, the euro against the pound, and we were looking to short this pair. Why were we looking to short this pair? Let me tell you. So for me, guys, we were clearly in a downtrend. Yeah, from this point here, we've got lower lows, lower highs, and then this was potentially the next lower high. And the idea, guys, because we're in a downward trend and we had this bearish candle, admittedly, it could be more bearish. It was more this wick, this top wick, and the way it's bounced off of this blue channel. Yeah, because of those reasons, we could look to take shorts potentially back down to here. Okay, guys, so let's look at the H1 to see how we traded this. And I traded this one, guys. Yeah, we were looking to short it. Price started to break down. As soon as we got this structure break, yeah, these last lows broke. I wanted to get in on this candle, yeah, but there was news coming out. Instead, I got in on this candle pretty much, okay? It did come up here. Yeah, stop was up here. But yeah, never troubled our stop and eventually came back down. At this last low, guys, this grey zone, I closed 80% and I'm still in this trade for 20%. So let's see how it carries on. Excuse me. And I'll just, the remaining 20%, guys, I'll just let it, carry on down like this. So I'll take my 20% from up here. I'll start to put it here. Price action looks like this. I will just trail the 20%. All right, but good trade. Euro pound, it was short. The next trade idea, guys, was this. It was pound against the Canadian dollar. Excuse me, I've got a frog in my throat this morning. So yeah, let's start with a day chart. So we were looking to short this pair, guys. Because this level up here has proven to be a very good weekly resistance level. Yeah, it is against trend. We were, clearly in an uptrend, but then we've just seen nothing but selling pressure, really, guys. All right, with this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle. All right, so yeah, lots of selling pressure. If we zoom in, yeah, we were trying to short it from this red candle, but I was also happy to short it from this grey zone because we got a bit of a reaction with this wick. And then again at this grey zone, I mean, look at this reaction. All right. So, yeah, we were trying to short this pair, guys. And there were a few opportunities to get in on this pair, actually. So again, there was this candle here, but that was no, this candle here, sorry, guys, but this was before the news, all right? And it was good news for the pound. But then we had this candle as well. Yeah, this would have been a good entry candle, even potentially this candle, guys. All right, put your stop above here. Yeah, and you would have had a very nice trade. So we could have entered like that. That would have been more aggressive, or we could wait for this structure break. Yeah, you can see there's a clear area of support through here. As soon as we get this candle, yeah, that breaks all of it, even breaks these lows over here, then we could also enter on this candle, okay, and take price down. It came down nicely, this trade, guys. All right, so this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, lots of entries with pound Canadian dollar. And again, direction was good, almost at our higher time frame target. Yeah, so that was pound Canadian dollar, another good trade. The third trade was this. It was New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. Where are you? There you are. All right, but another good trade, guys. Yeah, we were looking to short this pair. If we start with the day chart, what were we seeing? So if I zoom out a bit, you can clearly see that we were, yeah, just using this blue channel. Yeah, it's a descending triangle, guys, really, is what we're looking at, okay? So we had that on the higher time frame view. And we were also seeing this, guys. We were seeing a head and shoulders pattern, yeah, that actually broken these lows here. All right, so the head and shoulders pattern was complete. This was the shoulder, this is the head, and this is the shoulder. Okay, not bad drawing with a mouse pen, if I do say so myself. Yeah, and we were looking to short it. So again, this grey zone was a good area to short it from. And again, look at this daily candle. Look at the reaction we got. And this will still be a trade idea. I still think we can carry this on down further. Because basically, guys, whatever this distance is in here, yeah, a head and shoulders pattern would suggest, you know, we can go that distance again. All right, so I still think there's more legs in this trade. If we drop down to the H1 chart now, yeah, I entered basically when we got a break of this low here. Yeah, so I entered as this candle was forming. It was quite aggressive because you know, the fact that we had a head and shoulders pattern, it had broken those lows. There was lots of reasons to short this pair. So I actually entered here, put my stop above here. And then basically, guys, I took, yeah, 80% off back, you know, just above this grey zone. I closed 80%, and now I'm in this trade for 20%, guys. And I'll leave this to run all the way back down to those lows. And I'll move my 20% from here to here. Okay, and then just, like I say, just keep trailing that stop down. It'll go to here, here, and just let it run, guys. All right, but yeah, 3 trades Friday, all went in the direction we analyzed. Yeah, a great day, great day. Right, guys, let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap of Friday, maybe you made some money on some of the trades. If you enjoyed that, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and smash the like button, guys. Yeah, we'd love to have you. Right, trades for Monday the 3rd. I keep forgetting the date. Monday the 3rd of April. We're going to look at today's trades now. Before we do, a few things. If you haven't joined the Discord channel, join it. Lots of cool things on there. Trades, knowledge, chit chat. And we've also got the VIP Discord now, guys. You have to pay for VIP, but you get access to me. You can ask me questions throughout the trading day. And I give you all of my trade ideas. So, yeah, come join it. We've also got some exclusive content. We've also got a performance coach on there now. So much to enjoy. Secondly, guys, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you all the details of the mentorship program. And lastly, guys, we've got an educational challenge where we give you a bespoke indicator. You learn how to use it and you can, you know, earn while you learn, guys. So check out the educational challenge as well. All the information for all of these things are in the video description. Right, trades for Monday. Let's have a look. So before we get started, guys, I'm still seeing CAD strength, Canadian dollar strength. And I just wanted to show you this correlation with oil. So this is oil, and oil has just, ever since it's hit this weekly low here, has just kept going. Okay. And this has made the Canadian dollar strong. All right. So, you know, if you want to gauge how strong the Canadian dollar is going to be, take a look at oil. All right. And as you can see, it's making CAD very strong. As a result, guys, I'm looking at some Canadian dollar pairs. Yeah. So the first one is Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, but this is not my trade idea, but I'm just showing you this could be. Yeah. Yeah. If we look at this, it's broken all of these lows, guys, even the lows over here. And we've got this bearish candle. Okay. So I still think this has room to the downside. Okay. But this is not a trade idea because I prefer New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah. Deja vu. I hear you cry. But yeah, I like this trade, guys. All right. So we're seeing this head and shoulders pattern that I showed you in the recap. Okay, I better put it in again, just in case you didn't watch the recap. All right, but this is a head and shoulder. So shoulder, head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Apologies, too early for singing on a Monday. And we've broken these lows. Okay, so if I just zoom in a little bit there, you can see this very bearish candle, yeah, broke these lows. All right, so for me, we're in a downtrend. Yeah, we're getting lower highs now, yeah, and potentially on Friday as well. And look at Friday's candle. Yeah, super bearish. Look at the wick. That just tells me sellers have absolutely rejected this gray zone, yeah, that we highlighted. Okay, so for all of these reasons, look at these candles. Yeah, we're just continuing in to potentially take price back down to these lows or even these lows down here. Okay, so yeah, New Zealand Canadian dollar short. If we look at the H1 now, how can we trade this? Yeah, okay, let me do the grey zones with you. So this grey zone is still intact. This held. This is a good grey zone. Okay, and this grey zone through here is a good grey zone. What I'm contemplating is there a grey zone through here? But not really, guys. Yeah, what I'd be looking for is potentially this price comes back up, tests this last high, we get a bearish reaction. I think we can then start shorting this pair. And when I say bearish reaction, guys, strong H1, strong H4 candle, maybe a candlestick pattern combined with an M15 structure breakdown. I like this combination. Gives me lots of confluence. And remember, confluence equals confidence. Okay, so yeah, shorts from up here, or this would happen, guys. Yeah, so you can see this grey zone through here is really important. Yeah, and it's been holding. Okay, so this is the other criteria that could be met. Yeah, we break down, keep breaking down, we get a retrace into this grey zone, and again, we get a bearish reaction, and then we can start shorting this pair. All right, so yeah, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. I also still like pound Canadian dollar. Yeah, the Canadian dollar is really, you know, giving us lots of lovely setups. If we start with the day chart, again, this area up here is a real important weekly level. Yeah, and price has clearly been, you know, just sellers have been driving it down from this level. We are against trend. Yeah, very important to point out, but yeah, sellers are in control of this market. Okay, and I think we can just take price potentially back down to these lows here and this 6,600 psychological level. And yeah, I mean, look at this candle, guys, from Friday. Yeah, we've got a super bearish candle. So we just want to take that selling pressure down a bit further. So yeah, we're looking to short it. If we look at H1, where can we short it from? Okay, so all right, I think there's a zone through here now as well. Let me zoom out, see if we can see this. Okay, so yeah, if I went, you know, as far left as I could go further, but there's clearly a zone through here. Okay, you can see when we're plotting support and resistance, guys, just look left. Yeah, you're looking for historical price action. So price has reacted here, 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 here. Okay, so that would be a good area, guys. Yeah, and then what am I looking for? Price could even retrace up to this level. Yeah, so we need a retrace, guys. I mean, because look at that candle, these H1 candles, hence the daily candle. So where will price retrace to? It could retrace to here. We get a bearish reaction. We can enter the trade. Or it could even retrace all the way up to here. We get a bearish reaction. We enter. Or even up here, guys. It could. All right. But yeah, and then we can start taking it lower. But this grey zone and this grey zone, guys, are, you know, the most likely. So, yeah, just looking for a bearish reaction in these zones. All right, but pound Canadian dollar, we're also looking to short this because Canadian dollar is like Arnold Schwarzenegger at the moment. What else am I looking at, guys? There's more. So I'm looking at a couple of yen pairs. So US dollar yen, okay, but comparing this with the other US dollar pairs, yeah, then we might be seeing a little bit of dollar strength this week, but I'm also seeing a bit of yen strength from Friday. So, guys, if we looked at the weekly chart, yeah, we would, you know, I still think this has room to the downside. Okay, let's get rid of that. Yeah, we were clearly in an uptrend. But now, you know, we're in a downtrend, lower highs, and I think potentially it could come back down, at least test these lows here at this 128 level. But that's a very higher time frame view. That's the weekly chart. If we now drop down to the day chart, but I'm just saying I would definitely short it according to the weekly chart. If we now look at the day chart, I like this. When I get one of my grey zones like this, and I see the moving average 20. Yeah, when I see these two combined, it's a very good area of resistance in this instance, or support. Okay, so I'm looking to short this pair because of that double resistance. Okay, and we've got quite a bearish wick here on the, it's a green candle, but look at that wick, pretty bearish, guys. Yes, sellers have come back in. And I think potentially we could just at least take it back down to this level. Yeah, through here, or even back down to these lows, guys. Yeah, well, let's say this would be the first target. Yeah, not this, actually, guys. Let's ignore this one. So this 131 psychological level, guys, that would be our target. If we drop down to the H1 chart now, what am I looking for? So, yeah, it's broken down, guys. It's already broken down. Yeah, as soon as this low here is taken out, with this candle here, for me, price has broken down. So all I'm really looking to do is continue this H1 structure. So if we get a bit of a retrace, potentially back up to here, yeah, all I'm looking for is a bearish H1 candle, or bearish, even a bearish H4 candle, but a bearish H1 candle with H1 structure. Yeah, if we get it here, we can start shorting. Maybe it's the next candle. Maybe it's this candle here, and it comes down, it's bearish. Yeah, I still think we can get in here as well. So just follow this H1 structure down and try and get in on the next candle that tells you sellers are in control. All right, so yeah, US dollar, Japanese yen short. And the last trade idea. Before I show you the last trade idea, guys, if you're enjoying this analysis, would like to receive it every day with my trade ideas, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, join Discord, join the mentorship program, join the educational challenge, join everything. Join the scouts, join the local cricket team, join everything. Okay, so US dollar yen. The last one, guys, is Aussie dollar against the Japanese yen. Okay, so what am I seeing? So let's start with the day chart. So again, we've got this combination of, yeah, moving average 20 and resistance level in terms of my grey zone. Okay, plus we have, you know, a very bearish candle. So I think we can take price potentially just back down to this 88 psychological level. Okay, I'm going to put that in with a blue line now. Okay, so 88 psychological level, we're just looking to take it down to there because this grey zone, there could be buyers sitting in here as well. Okay, so if we look at the H1 chart, What are we looking for? So again, we've already had a breakdown in H1 structure for me. Yeah. Soon as this low here was broken, these highs held. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. However, there is a level through here, okay, that I'm interested in. Yeah, this level through here. Okay, so if we get a confirmed break of this level, yeah, we can enter the trade. Let's say the next candle's quite bearish. You know, we could enter this candle. You know, you would have to put your stop at least above the moving average 20. Yeah, and we'll get our 1:1 then back down to this 88 level. Okay, so always think about your risk to reward when you take a trade, guys, and where you put your stop. Always think about what you can lose before what you can make. Yeah, it's a safe way to trade. Yeah, protect yourself first. But yeah, I'm just looking for a break of this level. Break, perhaps even a retest. Yeah, price comes back up here. Then we can start shorting it back down to this 88 level. But Aussie dollar, Japanese yen, I'm looking to short this pair. Right, guys, so that is all the trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So, guys, news for Monday, the 3rd of April. As you can see, China is on holiday, Qingming Festival. Enjoy China. The next bit of big news here coming out, if you're up, is Tankan large manufacturer. So this and this coming out of Japan could really move the yen pairs, guys. All right, so keep an eye on that, but you probably won't be up. Let's be honest. The next piece of news we're interested in at 2:30, probably won't be up, is retail sales coming out of Australia. So that could move the Aussie dollar. If we carry on down, guys, this is more us, and you know we'll be up by then. At 8:55 London GMT. We got coming out of the euro. We got German manufacturing PMI, so that can move any euro pairs. 9:30 coming out of the UK. We got manufacturing PMI for the pound. So this will affect. Get my teeth in. This will affect any pound pair. We carry on down, guys. The last piece of news is this: at 3 o'clock, we've got ISM manufacturing PMI coming out of the US. So must be aware of all this PMI manufacturing data, guys. All right. That's it. I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, come join us, subscribe, join Discord, everything. And have a great trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow.